It is said that serving humanity without any expectation is a service to God. But such practices are rarely found on this earth. There is a charity organization called Anandashrama Seva Trust in Putturu, which is an exception to this. India is known for great social workers like Baba Amte or Mother Teresa, who dedicated their lives for the sake of the poor, weak and helpless. Anandashrama Seva Trust is located on a panoramic hilly region by the side of Mani-Mysore National Highway, 55 kilometers from Mangalore in the outskirts of Puttur city. The trust was founded by Dr. Gauri Pai, a leading gynecologist. Dr. Gauri Pai considers that serving humanity is not just a tendency or joy, but an actual bliss. Such an urge for social service is not new for Dr. Gauri Pai. Actually, she worked for an orphanage called Ramakrishna Seva Samaj in Puttur for more than 30 years. In a pursuit of his service to the needy senior citizens by providing shelter to them, she founded Anandashrama Seva Trust in 1995. Her dreams turned into reality when a donor called Mr. P. Vittal Pai donated 5 acres of land for the activities of the trust, of which Dr. Gauri Pai is the founder president. The trust wanted the aged people who come under its shelter get love, affection, reverence and comfort and spend their remaining part of life happily and peacefully. There are many elderly people who want to stay aloof from their family in their old age and conduct their duty towards a larger family in the society along with self-salvation as it was being practiced in olden days according to the Indian tradition, which was known as Vanaprastha those days. The very name is given for such a scheme in Anandashram, and it is paid service. Similarly, for those aged people who have no relatives to look after them or have been deserted by their own family, there is another scheme called Jeevan Sandhya. These inmates will be provided with free boarding, lodging and medical aid. Anyway, in both the schemes, the love, respect, care and reverence will be provided with utmost care. For the inmates of Vanaprastha and Jeevan Sandhya, Anandashram has itself become a world within the world or a world without the world. They never get a feeling of being away from their family as Anandashram itself has become their second family. Anandashrama Seva Trust has a motto of help the aged, but it also does social service in various other schemes like Rural Health and Development, Smile a While, Aadhaar, Free Eye Camps, Drishti, Prashanti and Dinacharya. Under Rural Health and Development Scheme, the trust is providing nutrition, medical care and vocational training for the villagers. An Anganwadi center was started near Anandashrama and later handed over to the government. Under Smile a While program, a pain and a palliative care home called Prashanti is being run at Anandashram for those terminally ill cancer patients who suffer from unbearable pain. Prashanti tries to give these patients maximum comfort by relieving the pain and unpleasant symptoms of their illness and make their life easier to live until the inevitable hour comes. Anandashram intends to prepare these patients to face the ultimate destiny boldly and peacefully by giving them counseling. This is absolutely free and no charges are collected at all. There are hundreds of unemployed, educated girls in the society. Anandashrama Seva Trust wants to provide employment to these girls and lead a contented life. They have a scheme called Aadhaar, which is a home nurse training center which was started in 2003. The girls from very poor families are given free training with boarding and lodging for 6 months under the Aadhaar program. Then they will be given jobs to look after the old or the disabled patients in their own surroundings. More than 250 girls have been trained here and 34 are working at present in Anandashram. Drishti. Drishti is a new program meant for school children started in March 2014. Under this scheme, school children from various schools from rural areas are screened for sight defect or any major problems and are given free spectacles or proper advice and treatment by expert doctors. Free eye camps are held in various places where village people can't afford consulting the ophthalmologist and get the treatment. Until now, 232 free eye camps were conducted in the remote villages in Dakshin Kannada district. Spectacles are given free of cost for the needy and cataract operations are done free of cost. Anand Ashrama has a variety of activities for its inmates throughout the day to keep them engaged. The day at Anand Ashram begins with the Homa called Agnihotra Homa. This will be followed by the prayer at 7 am. Breakfast will be provided soon after the prayer. Bhajans and dhyana and meditation will be held in between. Those who are interested may take part in these activities. The inmates are found playing some indoor games like Chennemane, Carom or chess according to their taste. Some are even found in the library reading books on spiritualism. A well-maintained garden in and around Anand Ashram enriches the beauty of its premises. The inmates can be found strolling in the garden, enjoying the company of lush green plants and lovely flowers blossomed there. They undergo regular medical checkups and get timely medical aid. The inmates of Anand Ashram may also take the benefit of the physiotherapy unit established recently. Anand Ashrama Seva Trust Puttur is doing a wonderful service to the society without any expectation except a feeling of self-contentment. The trust headed by Dr. Gauri Pai has chosen this field of social service.
See, first I was thinking that this doctor's job, seeing the patients and doing the treatment to them and all, I was thinking it's a great satisfaction to me. But looking after these poor people who are homeless, who are discarded by their own people and all, no, serving them, it's a still more, a good job, which gave me full satisfaction. And treating these cancer patients in their terminally ill stage, actually that gave me still more satisfaction, still more. As I am going on deep and deep into it, I started getting a sort of bliss. I don't know how to tell it. It's not